Привет, 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 and welcome to my channel, RussianMatreshka. And today we will be covering letter O, буква O. Буква O in Old Church Slavonic alphabet meant on. On means he. This letter O was based on the Greek letter omicron. Just remember, a lot of Cyrillic letters are based on Greek letters. That's why there are lots of similarities. A quick pronunciation rule with this letter O. If it's stressed, it sounds like O. However, if it's not stressed, it sounds like A. So in this lesson, you will see a lot of examples when this letter will not be stressed. I will be saying it as A, and I will try to point it out. So just remember that. So let's move on to the top 10 words that start with the letter O. And to nobody's surprise, the first word is on. On means he. And as an example, let's go with он говорит. He is speaking. Он говорит. Word number 2 is они. Они means they. Они говорят. Just observe the endings. So based on a different pronoun, the ending of a verb changes. Они говорят. Word number 3 is она. Она говорит. So the same as with he. So it's easy. The first 3 most widely used words of the Russian alphabet are он, они, она. Он, они, она. Word number 4 is or, ab, or aba. And it means about. This one is going to be a little bit complicated. Just follow me. So how come we have 3 variations for the same word? We use or when it's in front of a word that starts with a consonant, plus words that start with letter ye, yo, you, ya. So why is it so confusing? Why is it consonants and these 4 vowels? Technically, they are vowels. However, when you listen, there's a little y sound. Listen again. Ye, yo, you, ya. So it almost makes them sound like it's a consonant. And that's why we still use O in front of words that start with those letters. Moving on, let's look at ab. Ab stands in front of words that start with a vowel. And you guessed it right, except the words that start with ye, yo, you, or ya. And the last one is aba. And you just need to remember this one. And this one starts in front of 4 мне, всем, всей, and всех. I want to test you a little bit. Please, in the comments below, give me 3 examples. One with O, one with ab, and one with aba. All right, moving on to the word number 5, and it's один. Again, remember about the pronunciation rule. Here, letter O is not stressed, so I'm saying it as A. Один means one. Один дом, one house. Word number 6. Word number 6 is от. От means from. For example, письмо от Ивана. Письмо от Ивана. So when I'm saying it quickly, it kind of transforms and sounds like at. Письмо от Ивана. The letter from Ivan, very famous Russian name. If you want to learn more Russian names, please go to this lesson where I cover male names and this one where I cover female names. Or another example, подарок от Пети, a present from Peter, another really famous Russian name. Word number 7. Word number 7 is очень. Очень. Очень means very. Очень жарко. Very hot. Again, observe жарко. The last letter O is not stressed, so I'm saying it as A. Жарко. Жарко. Word number 8. Word number 8 is окно. Again, I hope you remember about our pronunciation rule. The first letter O is not stressed, so I'm saying it as A. Окно. The last one is stressed. Окно. You can totally say окно, everybody will understand you. But if you want to sound a little bit more proficient in Russian, please remember this pronunciation rule, as it will be very handy. Окно means window. And an example, открытое окно, an open window. Again, открытое, открытое окно. Word number 9 is отец. Again, отец means father. It's like a very official name for father. Usually we just say papa. Word number 10 is опять. Again, remember, опять. The pronunciation rule is so necessary to remember. Опять means again. And I want to introduce this really cool Russian phrase. It's a stable phrase. Опять 25 means here we go again. It's a great phrase to learn because we use it all the time when we get annoyed, when we need to do something again and again and again. You will hear Russians saying it a lot. Okay, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Please, if you enjoy this content, if you want more lessons, support me. Like this video, leave a comment, share with a friend, and don't forget, of course, to subscribe to my channel. And I would like to hear some feedback from you about your journey with this really complicated language. And some feedback is also really fun. Well, thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Пока-пока-пока-пока! Bye!